In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Outlook navigation menu bar from left to bottom. If your mail, calendar, people, and tasks icons have shifted to a vertical rail on the left, this quick adjustment will put them back along the bottom where many of us prefer them. Before we start, note that this works in the classic Outlook for Windows. The new Outlook interface doesn't support this change, so make sure you're in the classic version. A quick housekeeping tip: close any email drafts or tasks you're working on. We'll be restarting Outlook to apply the change, and closing those first helps you avoid losing work and ensures a clean restart. With Outlook open, head to the top left corner and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where the application settings live. From the menu on the left, choose Options. That opens the Outlook Options window, which is where we'll adjust the behavior of the navigation bar. In the Options window, select Advanced from the left sidebar. This section controls a lot of the app's layout and interaction settings. Scroll down until you reach the Outlook Panes area. Here, look for the checkbox labeled Show Apps in Outlook. When this option is turned on, Outlook shifts the navigation to the left and mixes your core modules with add-ins. To move the navigation back to the bottom, uncheck Show Apps in Outlook. Click OK to save your changes. Outlook will prompt you to restart so the new setting can take effect. Confirm the restart, then fully close Outlook and reopen it. Give it a moment to load. When Outlook comes back up, you should see the familiar navigation bar along the bottom of the window again, with mail, calendar, people, and other icons right where you expect them. If the bar didn't move, double-check two things. First, make sure you're not using the new Outlook interface, because that version doesn't allow this adjustment yet. Second, return to File, Options, Advanced, and confirm that Show Apps in Outlook is still unchecked. Sometimes a restart is required more than once if Outlook was busy with updates. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.